Hi, I'm Craig Guthrie, editor of Mining Magazine. I'm here at ConExpo with Jacques Britz from Sandvik, and we're going to be talking about technology and innovations in the aftermarket area. So, Jacques, thanks a lot for taking the time for this
Thank you very
interview.
much.
So just dive straight in, I guess. What sort of trends are you seeing in the aftermarket area that are really and sort of have come out in the announcements for this show?
Yeah, I think if you look at our aftermarket business, it's becoming very data driven. For various reasons, our customers are cost conscious, so they need to get a good grip on their cost. But we also have in the industry a lot of challenges when it comes to labor and getting resources. So using technology and data is really a method of overcoming and becoming more smart and more efficient in the way that we working.
And what are the specific solutions that are you're showcasing here at ConExpo?
There are two solutions that are standing out. One is where we're sitting and showcasing our data connectivity and our remote monitoring, where we connect remotely to our customers' equipment. We monitor the productivity, we monitor technical performance of the equipment, and we help our customers to be more efficient, but also alerting our customers when there's alarms on the machine or we see certain trends. We build some good algorithms into our monitoring processes, and that way we can give our customers advance notice if we see something is happening with the equipment. We also use the same systems to give good feedback on the performance, the productivity of the equipment, and really becoming a data driven organization. And then on the just behind us, we've got technology what we use as expertise off site, and that's really helping us with the support of our labor shortage that we've got in the market, and especially skills also. And how that platform works is that we've built a platform where we can capture a lot of the knowledge. We can help our technicians on a remote basis. They might be sitting hundreds of miles away. They can connect with us either through their cell phone, iPad, or smart glasses, and we can see what they see. We can help them remotely to solve the problem. So that way we can get our customers' machines back in production at a short possible time.
So, in terms of that sort of remote working aspect, was that something that was directly considered to address the skills gap, or was it just came from something else, but it's ended up helping in that?
Yeah, I think it's helping the skills gap. I think we always try to work smarter in and respond to our customers much quicker. Sometimes we have complex problems, and we need a couple of brains around the table. If I can see that to help with the solution, that the remote solutions help us to get a group of people around the customer's problem remotely and help them to put that to bed. Also, in the mining world, in the construction world, in quarry world, we work very remotely. So some of our operations might take a day, 2 days for somebody to eventually get to a customer's equipment. This way we can respond very quickly and help them to solve the problem.
Fantastic. And in terms of the aftermarket and ESG trends, are you getting any more sort of specific demands around improving environmental objectives?
Yes, that is objective for us all the time, and that's another area where our technology is really helping us. Just the fact that our technicians can travel less, spending less time on the road, that helps us really with our emission targets, and also working remotely. Help us from a safety aspect because we remove some of the human aspect out of that environment, and that helps us with our safety and working in a safer environment.
And in terms of the sort of alerting customers to problems or errors, do you see a future where there's more predictive levels of maintenance in the aftermarket?
Definitely, because we're starting to capture a lot of information from our machines, and globally we're building up databases, so we are able to start using that to predict trends. We built algorithms out there that we can use. How can I say, input from various sources and predict a trend of what's going to happen based on the knowledge that we're capturing.
I guess that leads well into my next question about collaboration and data. Do you think that the mining industry, and perhaps this is related to construction and other industries as well, are they becoming more willing to collaborate in terms of data and data sets, particularly when machine learning is involved? It's good to have a mature data set.
That's definitely happening. We see that our customers are evolving, and they're getting used to sharing information. They see the benefit from that. It becomes more transparent on what we're doing. Obviously, from a Sandvik viewpoint, we still protect our customers' information. We are very careful on what we share internally, and we don't share any of the information of our customers' information externally. We use the information to develop trends, to help them to solve problems, benchmarking against other operations. But data privacy is very high on our agenda, and we will maintain that.
Fantastic. Well, that was all the questions I had, Jacques. Nothing else to say, but thanks a lot for your time and for doing this interview, and thanks for your insights.
Thank you very much.